What's up, guys? It's Ray Meyer. I got a small treat for you today. We are touring Rausch Coleman Homes, just 10 minutes south of Randolph Air Force Base, located right off of the Loop and the 10 freeway that goes straight to Houston, right outside of San Antonio. This is the Chelsey model, and this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 265 square feet of living space. And this model in particular starts at $288,900, which is super affordable, right outside of San Antonio. As you can see coming in, you'll walk through the hallway. Everything's staged. What you should know is that most model homes for new builders are staged very, very well. They put their best foot forward. So just know coming in that all of these upgrades may not be included. So just making sure you're represented by a realtor. They get to ask the questions with you, and we get to get black and white on what's included and what's not included. As you can see here, the open floor plan is very nice here at the bottom level. You can see everything flows together with the main living spaces, from the kitchen to the dining room to the living room. And so if you're cooking and you want to keep an eye on the kids or catch the football game that's going on simultaneously, that's easy to do. Nice open area here if there's multiple people helping cook or clean. Lots of counter space with the island here. Big sink for you if you got a big family doing a lot of dishes. Moving through here, that's to the left was the pantry. So plenty of storage space so far in this model. Looking from this angle, you have a half bathroom downstairs. That's so the guests, if you have guests, they don't have to go all the way upstairs. But this is just a half bathroom, meaning there's no bathtub or standing shower. Moving along to the second floor, what I like about this model in particular is that there's a second living space, which is a loft here that we're just entering. And so turning here, you'll see all the bedrooms are upstairs. This loft is good for a study space or maybe a kid space, to watch TV up here and hang out. This is our first guest bedroom. Pretty good sized rooms. Like the staging and how they did that one. We'll go to this side. There's 2 more rooms on this side, so 1 so far. This first door on your right is going to be the laundry room. Nice big laundry room, so you don't have to carry your laundry up and down the stairs. Glad that it's on the second floor. Second guest bedroom here, staged very nicely. Still a good size. Let's check out the closet real quick, and they're pretty good sizes for the kiddos to store all their stuff. A lot of people are curious about storage space, so pretty good size for a new construction home. This is the third guest bedroom that we're taking a look at. They got it set up as some of the design features that you can choose from, but this could be a home office also, or another bedroom for one of the kids or a guest. This guest bathroom is a good size. So they have the privacy feature for the shower area, and then somebody else could be getting ready and simultaneously at the sink area. Moving to the best for last, I saved the master suite. So walking in, you can see that there's extra furniture in here. So this is a lot larger than the guest bedrooms. Plenty of living space. And the windows with the light has a great light coming in. It's a great time of the day. It's about 5 p.m. on a weekday. Moving into the master suite, you'll see the dual sinks, the large shower area. There's a separate area for the toilet and a large walk-in closet that you'll see. So just wrapping up this tour, guys, we want to emphasize how convenient this location is, especially for our active military who's stationed at Randolph or wants to be close to Randolph. It's about 10 minutes south of there, 20 minutes away from Ft.Sam, Houston. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us. We'd love to take you on a private tour here. Thanks, guys.